Hey guys, welcome back, and I know why you're here because you wanted to know what my recommendation for the upcoming Sephora discount is very soon, and these products I really use. So I have a little bit of skincare, a lot of makeup, and of course lip products. Some of these are also new launches and I love them. And this product, I have been using this for a while and I can really say that these work, and these ones are just so beautiful. I want to start off with skincare. I purchased this from the last Sephora discount last November. So I've been trying this product for a while. So this is the Caudalie Mask Instant Detox. I actually just got a small size because I wanted to try if it's really good, and it does. It is really amazing for your skin, especially if you have oily skin or just overall your pores is slightly clogged. You just feel like you want to cleanse that, you want to make sure that you get everything. My next one, so this is the glow recipe. It is the watermelon glow niacinamide dew drops. So this is a really good to incorporate with your makeup. It's sort of that like a skincare, but at the same time it is a good one for makeup because it gives you this glow. It has niacinamide. It's very important for my skin, and I know this is a popular for a reason. People love this, and now I'm one of them. Next thing that I wanted to also recommend for you guys is this one. When I first started makeup, I'm a makeup artist, so when I first started my kind of retail makeup industry, that was early 2015. My first job was a Clinique beauty advisor. Of course, I know Clinique by heart. I have their skincare, but this is my staple. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you guys, I go through this so many times. Sometimes I would try other setting spray, moisturizing spray. I keep coming back to this because I know this is a good stuff. So I'm gonna tell you the name. Clinique Moisture Surge Face Spray Thirsty Skin Relief. So this is a moisturizing mist. What it does, it just makes everything so soft. It kind of melt my makeup into, like, you know, this not textured anymore, and it's really good for hydration. So you can carry this all day, and if you feel like your skin is getting drier, you feel it a little tighter, you feel like it's irritated, you just spray this and you're good. Even in the summer, you feel hot, you feel warm, you spray like this. And guess what? It is empty. I posted this as well on my Instagram story that I need a new one, and I plan to get this during Sephora discount because nowadays when you wear makeup your skin dries a lot, and this is your savior. Alright, next up, because that is a hydrating spray, I'm just gonna talk about the Patrick Star. I know a lot of you have heard this, a lot of you saw this already, but I'm just gonna include it in here just in case you haven't heard about it. So this is the On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. My goodness, you sweat, this is your best friend. Whatever it is, hot weather, humid weather, whatever is your situation, this is what you need. It's going to make your makeup stay as much as you want. It's foolproof. Next up, I'm going to go with this Dior Forever Star Filter, and I'm in the shade number 3. I've been loving this lately. It's a really good one to put under your foundation or even on top of your foundation if you want that like nice glow, kind of like a liquid highlighter. This one will give you that, but I mostly apply this under my foundation. Next up is this Dior Forever Maximizers. I believe this is Rosy. Oh my god, I can't say the name. It's very small. I'm going to put the name on the description down below, but this one is the blush one, and I would really recommend it. It's gonna give you this very nice fine glow. It's not like very natural, but if you want glow blush, this one is really good as well. So the next product is foundation, and this one is from House Labs. I love this foundation because the longer you wear, the more it look natural on my skin. And I know I have lots of foundation that I love and I used before, but this one is the currently one that I'm obsessed with. And if you just have the right prep for your skin, is actually really good. Next up is some blushes right here. Of course, you're gonna know what is this. This one is from YSL. It's so pretty. I love this shade for an everyday kind of look. So this is the Rose Haze number 6. and the shade 93. I love this because it has a little bit of that shine. It gives you this glow, but at the same time it's not super like, you know, accentuating your texture. It's just a little bit of glow and fresh. This is a nice peachy tone. It's such a great launch. I really like this blushes, so that's why I would recommend it. Another launch, this is a limited edition from NARS. So this blushes, or this palette, is really pretty. This is what I'm wearing right now. This shade is so beautiful, and sometimes what I like about this kind of collection, because it has 4 shades and it includes a bronzer. So if you don't have a bronzer yet, you can actually get a bronzer, a highlighter, and 2 blush, which is really nice. It's not super big, it's just a nice size to the product. So it's limited edition, but this is so pretty. It's perfect for spring summer kind of. Yeah, so that is what I'm wearing, and I love this. I would really recommend to get one of these. And last but not the least, I got lip product, and this one is again from YSL. So this is recently launched. This is their lip oil, plumping lip oil gloss, and I'm wearing it as well. It's really good, you guys. If you want a 3-in-1 product in here, if you want extra shine, suppleness, hydration, it's right on this product, and 100% really love it. It's such a good one. I love it so much. And here again, this is the YSL Love Shine Candy Glaze. This is the gloss. So good, you guys. This is my new favorite gloss. The shade of this one is Watermelon High. Love it. Oh my goodness, these products are awesome. I love them. They work, and these are like great makeup. It just makes your makeup so good and looks, it helps. It's not just one of those, like, you know, you put it on and it doesn't work. This one, I truly swears by them. So yes, that's my recommendation for the upcoming Sephora discount. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, find this video useful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys!